Hello, and welcome to Math 143, Quantitative Literacy. My name is Amanda Davis, and I'll be your instructor for this semester. I'd like to take a few minutes to give a brief virtual tour to help you navigate this course with ease. I know sometimes as an online student, it's a little tricky trying to figure out where everything is. As you open Blackboard, the announcement will appear and direct you to the Start Here tab on the left-hand side of the screen. When you click on Start Here, you have a quick welcome, and the first thing that you want to do is take a look at this course entry assignment. This is how the college assesses attendance, so it needs to be done as soon as possible, but absolutely no later than January 23rd. You can click over here on Discussions to find that assignment, and it will be the very first one here. So go ahead and take care of that first. The next thing you will find on the Start Here is a copy of your syllabus. This will have all the information about the class and a course schedule. The syllabus assignment follows. There's 5 quick questions for you to answer. So that's the second assignment. Once those 2 are completed, the next main thing we want to look at is the 2 websites we'll use for the class are MyOpenMath and Odigia. MyOpenMath is where you'll find all of your homework sets for the course, and I've gone ahead and put tabs on the left-hand side here so that you can open both MyOpenMath and Odigia from the left-hand side. If you click on MyOpenMath here, the first thing you'll want to do as a new student is register. That'll ask for your information, and it will also ask for a course ID and an enrollment key. If you look back on the Start Here section and you scroll down, there are instructions for registering for MyOpenMath, and you'll find the course ID and enrollment key here. After you're registered for MyOpenMath, you'll have access to all of your homework sets, and then you'll want to go ahead and click on the Odigia course here on the left. Odigia acts as your virtual textbook. It will open in a new window. There's actually another video on this site for specific instructions for Odigia if you need a little more help. You'll scroll down until you find your course, and you'll click on Open Course. Mine will look a little bit different than yours since I'm an instructor. Here you have your course outline. This has all the units for the course. Here's your first one, 1.1. When you click on the heading, it will give you the different sections. So here's our very first section that you'll want to start with. And this serves as your text. There will be some videos, some readings, and most importantly, you will find your labs under Odigia. So if you go to Assignments, you'll see a Practice tab and a Lab tab. There are a handful of practice questions that you'll need to answer before the lab will open up. But then you click on the Lab tab and that will show up once your practice is complete. Please feel free at any time along the way to email or give me a call with questions as you're navigating Odigia. One last thing I wanted to point out as you're getting started is, again, on this left-hand side, let me see if I can get back to it. Go back to your course. Again, on the left-hand side, if you scroll all the way down, you'll see your syllabus is here, and while there's a list of the course schedule in the syllabus, I've also gone ahead and done a course assignment checklist that sometimes students find helpful to keep track along the way. This will pop up in another window. I'll open it with Microsoft. Let's see, this will take just a second. Or 2. Or maybe 3 or 4. We should be playing Jeopardy theme music here. There we have it. Okay, so here's your course checklist for the semester. It has every section that we'll cover, along with the MOM, which is my open math assignment and the due date, and the labs with the due date as well. I did not include the course entry assignment or syllabus assignment. Those are the first two that you should start, but I think everything else for the semester should be on here. It tells you when your tests will be available and gives you information for the due dates for the entire semester. As I said before, please feel free to contact me at any time with questions, but I hope this is a good start and will help you get started. Thank you.